Top 10 foods for decreasing DHT production and preventing hair fall. DHT dihydrotestosterone is one of the most potent steroid hormones among other male hormones or androgens synthesized in the body and is responsible for facial, pubic, body hair growth as well as growth of the prostate gland. It is produced mainly in the liver and exerts its influence on peripheral body cells. The fate of DHT in the body. Cholesterol is responsible for the synthesis of DHT in our body. Cholesterol is converted to DHT in the target tissues due to the action of the enzyme called 5-alpha reductase. Excess intake of cholesterol in our diet can lead to increased production of testosterone and DHT in the presence of enzymes. Certain foods when added to our regular consumption possess the ability to control DHT production in the body, thus arresting hair loss issues. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a carotenoid which blocks the production of DHT by inhibiting the action of the enzyme 5-alpha reductase. The antioxidants present in tomatoes protect the hair follicles against cellular damage by free radicals. A study showed that tomato extracts increased presence of hair growth promoting factors and was as effective as 3% minoxidil. Watermelon. Watermelon contains a nutrient called citrulline which helps in the synthesis of arginine, an amino acid which improves blood circulation to the finer tissues of the body such as hair follicles. It also is a good source of vitamin C which helps in collagen production, which comprise the main component of hair shafts. Avocado. Avocado is a strong DHT blocker since it's a good source of DHT blocking nutrients such as folic acid, copper, niacin and pyridoxine. The fatty acids found in avocado protects the hair cuticles by nourishing them. Green tea. Green tea contains antioxidant compounds such as egg called epigallocatechin 3 gallate which has a strong DHT blocking action, and studies have shown that regular intake for 6 months has shown good hair growth. Coconut oil. The most common oil used for application on the scalp for improving hair health. Coconut oil contains lauric acid which is main component responsible for blocking the action of DHT on the scalp. It also helps to reduce the levels of DHT in the scalp region. Almonds. Almonds are a good source of L-lysine. Studies have shown that lysine is an amino acid which is useful in the production of collagen since it helps in the absorption of calcium. Almonds are also a rich source of vitamin E which helps in moisturizing the hair strands. Black grapes. Black grapes are rich in antioxidants such as oligomeric proanthocyanidins OPC, which has shown in studies to interfere with DHT production and also promote growth of new hair follicles on the scalp. Spinachal. Green leafy veggies such as spinach, kale has good amount of quercetin in them which is good for blocking the action of DHT producing enzymes.